Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell a very important thing, so do not skip and watch till the end. So today I'm gonna tell how to get good marks and how to improve your English in the competitive examinations, in any of the competitive examinations, not only in bank exams. So without any further delay, let's get started. So basically, the examiner tries to examine three parts while you give an English test in any of the competitive examinations. One is the reading comprehension, second is the grammar, and the third is the vocabulary. So we will go step by step. So the first one is the reading comprehension. So basically for the banks, more weightage is for the reading comprehension in the English section. So you can get good marks if you are good at reading comprehension, but it takes a lot of time to be good at reading comprehension. So what are the things that we need to do in order to improve our reading comprehension? So the first thing is you need to read a newspaper or a book or a novel or any of the articles daily. So you need to be very consistent. It means you need to read at least 1 hour per day on any article, or you can read any book, novel or newspaper, but I would recommend you to read a newspaper because your reading comprehension, your reading skill improves, as well as you can cover the current affairs. So when we talk about reading comprehension, it is just not only about reading, but it also includes understanding. So suppose in the examination you have been given a paragraph, but you have read, but when you went to the question section you were unable to answer them. Why? It is because you have just read the passage, but you haven't understand or you haven't analyzed the passage. So the first and foremost thing while reading any of the article or books or novels is to read it correctly and to analyze, or you need to understand it, because in the bank examinations or any of the competitive examinations the time is very less. Especially for bank exams, if you give more time for completing the reading comprehension itself, then you can't complete the other sections, other parts of the English section. So you can improve the reading comprehension only by reading and understanding at the same time. So do make a habit of reading at least 1 hour a day. It can be anything, as I said before. It can be either newspaper, novel, article, books, anything you would like. Don't go by the flow of just reading and not understanding anything. It's actually just a waste of time. And then you can also read a newspaper from internet. There are some websites which provide the newspapers for free, so you can just Google and read them as well, or you can buy the newspaper, or you can buy an e-newspaper, anything you like, but make a habit of reading at least 1 hour. Next comes the grammar. So grammar also plays a very important role after reading comprehension. It also has a very good weightage to picture while solving the error detection questions, or sentence rearrangement, sentence improvement, then close test and so on. So you can you can buy any book, or you can buy any ebook, or you can attend any of the classes from the YouTube. So I would suggest you Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi book. This is a very good book, and anyone can easily understand the concepts in it. So for grammar, mainly subject, verb, tenses, adverb, verb is very very important for grammar thing, and preposition, and next comes the other things like noun, pronoun and all those things. So make sure you complete this topic. But completing grammar, it takes a lot of time because there are so many rules for each of these sections, like for noun, pronoun and all those things. So it takes a lot of time to cover. It's just not only remembering the rules of grammar, but you need to also apply them. Some practice sessions in the S.P. Bakshi book, so you can practice them as well. So yeah. So practice is very important thing when it comes to English. So yes, this is regarding the grammar, and the next thing is vocabulary. It's also a very important section. Might come in fillers, antonyms, synonyms, in phrase and idiom replacement, so on and so forth. So it is also a bit important. So this book is a top notch. I mean, you can just spend hours with this book. So it's very interesting book. This book, it does not give you like there are few words you need to just recite and just remember those words. No, it's not like that. It just gives the root word. Basically, first it gives the root word, and then you can form words depending on the root. So if you know the root word, I think you can get to know the other words obtained from it. So not know what is the meaning of psychiatrist or psychology. With the root word, you would come to know, okay, this is something related to spirit or mind. So yes, this is about the vocabulary. Do not fear that I'm not so good at English and I will not be able to improve it. No, never think like that. You can improve a lot with some hard work and consistency. So yes guys, so do keep these things in mind, and this is what I practice and what I follow. So just thought of sharing the things with you so that some or the other one get some idea or some help from me. Also guys, if you feel this video helpful, do share with your friends as well, and also please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Yes guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.